Hello, my students. How are you? I hope that everything is okay. Today, we're going to start another unit in our students' book. What do you think is going to be about? Let's discover. So, it's Unit 6, Home. As you know, home is where we live together with our families. Then, it's Lesson 1, where we're going to talk about things that we have at our homes. When we finish, we will be able to talk about location of things relative one to another and discover statements and questions with prepositional phrases. Exercise A. Listen, point, and say.
Page 52, Unit 6, Home. Lesson 1, Things at Home. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Bed,
2,
bookshelf,
3,
table,
4,
sofa,
5,
clock,
6,
computer,
Good. Let's repeat. Bed, bookshelf, table, sofa, clock, computer. Exercise B now. Listen and put numbers carefully.
Page 52. B. Listen and number. 1,
That's my bed.
2,
Oh no, Mike. Your new books are under the table.
3,
Mike, your cat is under the sofa.
4,
The clock is in the box.
5,
Where's my computer? Here. It's on the table. Let's play a game.
6,
The books are on the bookshelf. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books.
That's good. So after listening, I have to put the numbers correctly in the correct places. Now, we have three pictures, which are number 1 next to, number 2 in front of, and number 3 behind. Number 1, the clock is next to the box. Number 2, the clock is in front of the box. And number 3, the clock is behind the box. Now, let's discover exercise C.
Page 53. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
There's a bed next to the bookshelf. Next to. There's a clock next to the box. In front of. There's a clock in front of the box. Behind. There's a clock behind the box. There's. There is.
1,
There's a bed next to the bookshelf.
2,
There's a bookshelf behind the bed.
3,
There's a sofa in front of the table.
4,
There's a sofa behind the table.
5,
There's a clock next to the computer.
6,
There's a computer in front of the clock.
Good. So after listening to the audio, we can notice that we can talk about places and locations using three prepositional phrases, short phrases, like next to, in front of, and behind. And also we have there is and there is are the same. There is a short form of there is. Exercise D now. Let's listen to the audio.
Page 53. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is there a bed next to the bookshelf?
Yes, there is.
Is there a bed next to the bookshelf?
No, there isn't.
Isn't. Is not.
1,
Is there a bed next to the bookshelf? Yes, there is.
2,
Is there a table in front of the bookshelf? No, there isn't.
3,
Is there a clock next to the computer? Yes, there is.
4,
Is there a bookshelf behind the sofa? No, there isn't.
5,
Is there a table in front of the sofa? Yes, there is.
6,
Is there a clock next to the table? No, there isn't.
Good. So, after looking to those examples, we have to discover that when it is yes, a positive answer, I say yes, there is. When it is no, I don't have something, so no, there isn't. Like this example, is there a bed next to the bookshelf? Looking at the picture, I have it, so yes, there is. If I don't have it, I'm going to say no, there isn't. Now, let's practice what we learned. Number 1. Look at the picture. I have a sofa and a table. Now let's read the question. Is there a table next to the sofa? Is it yes, there is, or no, there isn't? Good. Yes, there is. I have a table next to the sofa. Example number 2. Look at the picture. I have a bed and I have a clock. Is there a clock in front of the bed? Is there a clock in front of the bed? Good. No, there isn't. The clock is not in front of the bed, it's behind the bed. Bravo. That's good. Thank you for your attention and see you in your schools later.